So today we're looking at the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and what we're going to do today, and hopefully you can see it, but just over there is a tower, and what we're going to try and do is get this drone fixed on that tower, and just by using one stick I can operate around. So it's like it's doing a point of interest. Anyway, I think it's a great way of training you, especially if you don't want to do the quick shots. I prefer doing these sort of things in quick shots. And you got more control. So should we get on with it? So I put on the screen record. Now somebody told me I can move that around. So I'm going to see if I can. Okay. That's good. Okay. Unable to take off. It's just warming up now. We're just letting the satellites kick in. We've got 14 satellites now.
The home point has been updated.
And guys, always wait until the home point has been fixed before you take the drone off. So we'll do auto takeoff. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer to it, bring it up a little bit. Okay, bit more. So what you want to do, guys, is tap on what you want to circle, which is the tower there. So I want to do point of interest. It's already ready. And all I'm going to do is use my right stick and circle it, and all I'm doing is circling around it. We've got a few birdies want to play. I mean, it's slightly moved off the tower a little bit. And that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. But what I can do, I can raise the drone up a bit. So I'm raising the drone up. The camera's still fixed on that tower. I can slow it down, obviously. Now, if I wanted to, I can go around the other way. What I'm going to do, I'll bring it in slightly closer. Let's bring it in a little bit closer. Still going around it. Still going around it. And I think that's an amazing bit of thing. And you know, I'm only just got my finger on that controller there. Okay, we'll bring that back. And what I'll do, I'll stop it. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer. Bring it down a bit. I'm just going to take off the symbol there a minute. Just going to bring it down a little bit more. Okay. We'll do it on that one. I'm going to put on the record. I'm going to draw a box around the tower again. And we're going to press go. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer now. Okay, we're going to go round it again. Okay, we'll stop it there. And we'll click that off. Stop record. Okay, I mean, just bring it we'll have a quick chat. Let's just bring the drone in first. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's a pretty simple move really to do with your drone, and when you're trying to capture especially a building like a tower, and you can just do point of interest like you did in the old days, but you've got control of it, whereas before, like the quick shots and that, you've only got like 10 seconds or so and then that's finished. But by doing this, you actually got control of that drone. You can make it go up and down, you can make it go left or right, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and I think it's a pretty good move. But anyway, also I think it teaches your drone skills as well. So I hope you found that useful. If you got any tips or ideas on making this look a little bit better, please put them down below in the comments. That's most appreciated. Anyway, as always, fly safe guys, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.